Today we are going to start with exercise 7.1. Complete the following statements. Two line segments are congruent. Two line segments means two lines are congruent when they have the same length. If they are of having same measurement, so they will be congruent at that time. Okay. Among two congruent angles, one has a measure of 70 degree. The measure of another angle will be, yes, Bhumi. If one angle is of 70 degree, then another angle will be of
70 degree.
70 degree. Then they are congruent. Congruent means you are comparing each other whether they are same or not. Okay. When we write angle A is equal to angle B, we actually mean that measure of angle A and angle B is equal. This small m represents measure. Okay, if you are writing small m with an angle, that means measurement of angle A is equivalent to measurement of angle B. Clear? It's not angle m. Do not get confused. Clear? So measure of angle A is equivalent to measure of angle B. Give any two real life examples for congruent shapes. Congruent means they which are identical, which are same. Those are called congruent shapes. I have given these two examples like size of the pens in the same brand, size of the chocolates of the same brand, fan feathers of the same brand are always congruent. Can anybody is having any other example? You can write in the chat box also, or you can raise your hand. Any other examples? I have given you these three examples. Size of the chocolate of the same brand. Suppose you are purchasing dairy milk, so both the dairy milks will be of the same size and same length, so that are congruent. Pens of, suppose you are purchasing a Dom's pen, so both the pens are of same brand and the size of the pens will be also same. Fan feathers, if your fan is at the head on your top. Yes, scale sizes, right, Bhumi? Any other example? You can write in the chat box. Any other example? Real life example for congruent shapes. Two walls size. No, it cannot be possible. Biscuits of same packets. Same brand, not same packets. Same brand should be. Yes, Sejal. Pen height. Pen, though I have already given you the example. Yoga mats. Okay. Any other? Nobody else is having any example of congruence. Daily life, you are not using any symmetrical things. Shaving blades. Sharing, not. It's not sharing. It's shaving blades, Parveen. Shaving blades of the same geometry box. Phones of same brand. Same model. Same model phones, yes. Notebooks of the same company, yes. Vedika. Yes, these all are the examples of congruent shapes. You can write any. Okay, fine.
Triangle. If triangle ABC is
Congruent.
congruent to triangle FED under the correspondence ABC.
FED.
Write all the corresponding congruent parts of the triangle.
You have to write all the corresponding parts of the triangle ABC and FED. So two triangles are corresponding if all the sides and angles are equal. So if I'll talk, if there is a triangle ABC and a triangle FED, see, I'm making it. This is triangle ABC, okay? And this is triangle FED. So if I'll take A point here, okay, I'll take this A point here on the top. Just a second. A point, I'm taking it here. So I have to take this F point also here because this is a triangle of FED. F will be here also. So we can write F here. So angle A will be equivalent to angle F. Let's move to next. If I'll take this angle B, if I'll take it as angle B here. So this I'll be taking it as angle E here. If I'll take this angle C here, so it will be, sorry. This will be angle D here. So angle A is congruent to angle F, angle B is congruent to angle E, and angle C is congruent to angle D. So corresponding sides are AB is this side is AB. This one is your AB side. This side is AB and this side is FE. So they both are correspondents. Take this side BC and this side ED. They both are correspondent to each other. This is AC and this is FD. So they are congruent to each other. These all sides are congruent to another triangle, another sides.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number
4th
4.
question. If DEF
If triangle,
BCA,
beta, if triangle DEF.
If triangle DEF is equals to triangle BCA, write the parts.
Congruent to, this is a sign of congruent here. Triangle DEF congruent to triangle BCA. Okay, read
write
again.
Okay. If triangle DEF congruent triangle BCA, write the parts of triangle BCA that correspond to first E,
angle
second
E. It's angle, sign
angle
of angle.
E,
yes.
Angle E, third angle F.
Okay.
C.
Angle E corresponds to?
Ma'am, angle C.
Angle C, right. If I'll take DE, F and BCA, then angle E will be congruent to angle C, right. Mukul, tell me EF will be corresponds to which side? EF side will be... Yes.
Ma'am, CA.
CA, absolutely right. One Sharma, angle F corresponds to?
Ma'am, angle F corresponds to angle A.
Angle A, absolutely right. Vedika, DF corresponds to?
Yes, ma'am.
DF corresponds to?
Angle DF corresponds
angle DF,
to...
no, it is a line segment DF.
Okay, ma'am.
DF will be corresponds to?
BA.
BA, right. Absolutely right. So put a correspond sign like this. Double arrow sign. This will be a correspond sign. and congruent sign is this way. Double arrow sign is called a corresponding sign.